Hey everybody, Adam Savage here in my cave. I'm in the middle of finishing up my Matrix EMP button, and I had a rant. Sorry, I don't mean to, there we go. I had a rant. I was printing up some clear sticker paper with the correct graphics that I needed on it, and I ended up with this artifact here. And this happens with some consumer level laser printers. For my prop making purposes, I only use a laser printer because I'm so frequently weathering stuff with acrylics and such. I need a robust surface to play with, and I don't like using inkjet printers. They run, they fade more. They're just not ideal to me. So I'm a big lover of the laser printers, and they've gotten better and better and better. But I'd love so I have two things I would love to get in the comments of this video as recommendations from you watchers of these videos. And thank you for watching, by the way. One is, who knows of the best, hottest consumer level laser printer? Because that's the one I want to buy. What's happening here is that this part of the drum isn't getting hot enough and it's not setting the toner. This happens when I try and print on metallic laser printer paper as well. I didn't realize until I started reading the comments that like professional places like FedEx Kinko's will have machines that print hotter, and thus they set their toner and they're more robust. I need that. And then when I started to think about what I need and realizing that I might have to invest in a professional piece of equipment, I went online, and here comes my rant. I went online and looked up large format laser printer. And if you do that, you can do that right now because you're probably watching this on your computer. Go and Google large format laser printer. And the first thing you'll see, here we go, I'm just going to do it alongside you. Large format laser printer. Here we go. We have ads, and then we get to large format laser printer, 1 to 16, 4009 results. Okay, here's one, smallbiztrends.com. 8 large format laser printers for your small business. When you go to that link and you start to look at them and click at them, not a single one is an actual laser printer. Not a single one. You go through several pages before you find any actual large format laser printers. Here's what I think is happening. The search engine optimization teams who want your money, that's why they do what they do. They know that if you are an office worker and your boss has told you to go buy a large format laser printer and you go searching and you find one and you buy it, that if it's not an actual large format laser printer, it probably is not going to cost you your job. They know that. They also know that if you're looking for a large format laser printer, you're probably looking to spend like over $1,000 on a piece of technical equipment, and they really want that money. So what I end up with here in the Google results is like pages and pages and pages of sites like this smallbiztrends.com that feel like procedurally generated pages of top 10 lists of something that has nothing to do with what I'm actually looking for. The signal to noise ratio has surpassed 1. There is more noise than signal. So I started searching 11 by 17 laser printer. Again, what I find is page after page after page of top 10 laser printers of 2022, top 10 laser printers. None of them are laser printers. Every single one is an inkjet printer. I literally felt like I was going crazy. Which may or may not be the case, but it's not germane to this rant right here. I even took some of these results and sent them to a friend of mine at Google to be like, you guys got to get on this. This is crazy. I literally spent like an hour and found maybe one that was maybe what I was looking for. But again, it was just impossible. It was actually impossible. In response to the question that's occurring to your head, no, I didn't try Bing. I didn't try Bing yet. Okay, I will try that. But, and sure, DuckDuckGo, I'm sure there are others. What I would love if you work in a professional environment where you use a large format 11 by 17 laser printer that you like, that gets good and hot and can like print robust toner on strange surfaces, I need to know about that printer. I will spend what it takes to add that to my collection here because I have enough of a need where it is time for me to invest in such a thing. I am enraged I am enraged that the actual search engine optimization has gone past to something that is like, I can't actually get out of their optimization, and they're assuming that I don't necessarily want what I want, or however it's working, the search engine is unable to give me what I am searching for. Look, all of my rants end in a rant against late stage capitalism, so we don't need to go all the way there, but holy hell. What the hell? Okay, that's the end of my rant. Thank you for joining me for this 5 minutes and 40 seconds. If you've got a large format laser printer that you want to recommend to me and I can go search and look at its parameters, I don't think I was able to find two that I could compare and even find reviews on. And many that I found were like 2 and 3 years old and they weren't even making those models anymore. Don't even try it on Amazon. I couldn't find a single large format laser printer on Amazon after an hour of searching. Again, this grr. I don't know about you, but I feel better. All right, back to my build. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to support us even further, you can by becoming a tested member. Details are, of course, below, but it includes all sorts of perks, and we're building them all the time. You get advanced word and behind-the-scenes photos of some of our projects. Questions, you get to ask direct questions during my live streams, and we have some members-only videos, including the Adam real-time series of unbroken, unedited shots of me working here in the shop. They are weirdly meditative. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you on the next one.